Okay, so in this video we are going to actually understand how we just need to create a cluster, and how cluster works and how to set a cluster for different processes. We just need to go to your browser and just go to your Google Cloud platform. There in the search bar, before going to the search bar, you just need to click the console, which can be seen in the right area of your tabs. Then just go to the search bar and search for Dataproc. Right after searching it, you just need to click this. After doing this, we'll go to the create cluster. Go here we get two options on for GKE, and for compute engine we are going to create for the compute engine, like we're going to create the cluster on compute engine. Here you can actually define whatever name you want, or you can even take this by default name. It is actually a unique name like from the system. Here we get three types of cluster: the standard, the single node, and the high availability. And you might notice two terms here, master, or you may notice two terms here, master and workers. So master is something which actually distributes the process or the processing of the data to its workers, and workers work parallelly to complete all the tasks, and then that task or the pipeline or whatever the transform we want to use on the data is at the end like collaborated or concatenated, right? It is similar to something like what we learn in, or what we have understood in OS, like in work master can be something like process where, and workers can be something like threads, where threads are working together to complete a process, right? So here we get multiple options for enhancements. We even get options for which notebook or which compiler or editor we want this cluster to work. Basically, we can even define how many workers we want to work on that like pipeline or transformation or whatever process you have. We get multiple options for configure nodes, customize cluster, manage security, and for now we are going by default for all. After this, we just need to create we just need to hit this create button, which will actually create a cluster, and it will be named as cluster 3B86, right? After creating a cluster, right, yeah, just go to your Dataproc again, and here this is the actual dashboard of the cluster or the created cluster. After creating the cluster, here you will see the same name cluster will be created, will work in the, like at the back end, or for whatever work you have assigned. I hope you understood how to create a cluster, and in the further videos we are going to create different types of cluster, and we are going to work on it.